nature is calling. Get ready to wake up and experience the secluded bliss and beauty of the great outdoors. Introducing the ultimate outdoor adventure, presented by Auto Value. This fall, we're sending 25 lucky technicians and a guest to the Big Cedar Lodge deep in the heart of the Ozark Mountains on a vacation of a lifetime. Time to get out of the shop and escape to Mother Nature at America's premier wilderness resort. Winners will enjoy the ultimate in privacy and comfort, lodged in their own lakefront cabins, nestled amongst the trees. This trip is a unique mix of rustic luxury with comforts and a setting guaranteed to please. With scenic views of the mountains and lake, this remote haven is a first-class getaway for outdoor enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and anyone looking to relax and get away from it all. Grand prize winners will have the options of doing it all, from golfing, hiking, and exploring. Spa and relaxation settings are available, and may even cast a line or two during our own bass fishing tournament on the lake. This sweepstakes is all about the great outdoors and getting back to what matters. You want some more? How about 150 gift cards totaling $25,000 to other lucky winners during the months of March and April 2019? Every qualifying purchase from your Auto Value parts supplier earns an entry. My Place for Parts users are automatically entered with each qualifying invoice. Gear up and get rustic, and get ready to kick back in what will truly be a memorable vacation of a lifetime. Volume where prohibited. No purchase necessary. Trip details and activities subject to change. For official rules, please visit theultimateoutdooradventure.com.